Now waiting I go again. If I can love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again. No. Yep, we touch one mama. She's a troublesome person.
How far we going?
What's the matter?
Too fast. Give me Okada for them. I said, maybe give person Okada.
She know they look for wahala, but if you enter her wahala, you go see something. If you enter her wahala,
oh boy, I mean the phone.
Wait, calm down now.
I'm going to the dress.
What?
You use your head to touch her.
No, calm down.
You dress.
I don't drop her now.
What's the worry you? You didn't mad at me.
I don't know say you be girl now. Say person when we
so you blind now. You blind and see where.
No dress, man.
So every time they see you don't get high.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Don't make me vex.
Calm down now. Calm down.
You the dress.
Never don't say sorry. Wait till you walk on. You want beat me?
See, no, you make me.
Say you want beat me.
I'm not gonna come.
Wait till come out this thing for my face. Stop.
I will slap you. I will want you.
That's so. Say you want beat me. Beat me. Beat me now. Smart, you know. I'm kind of wondering now.
Take your time. I'm not gonna play with you.
Sorry.
I ain't gonna play.
Yeah, sorry.
Hey. How much can you want by yourself? How much can you?
100 naira.
Make I see your money.
Only day, don't worry. 100 naira, Sam.
No, I will.
Stubborn girl.
Don't touch me.
First when see you, they're going to say it's stubborn. Yeah, I can't sell Okada. You two idiots.
How much can you want by? How much you want?
People like say go life right to
how much you want by? Now see.
100 naira, everything.
100 naira.
Now wow.
100 naira. Now they make money.
Make I test. So I don't fit test Okada now. Make I test now.
I will slap you.
Now wow. This one wey waste time by chop. I know.
Put your hand.
I know. Oh yeah, sell Okada. Make I.
she's a troublesome person. Only an trouble. Only an wahala komoko. She know they look for trouble. She know they look for wahala. But if you enter her wahala, you go see something. You go see something. If you enter her wahala, you go see something. If you know.
She call me?
Yes.
Okay. Tell her I will be with her shortly.
Okay.
Bam. Who is here?
You are here.
I'm not here.
Welcome.
Don't welcome me. Don't welcome me. My money. My money, Ekom. Go in there, bring my money, give it to me, then I'll leave.
Maziofo, I told you I will bring that money by myself. Biko.
For how long? For how long will I wait for you to bring it by yourself? Okay, you want me to wait for you for eternity? Or have I done anything wrong? No, have I offended you or offended God? By assisting you when you came for this money.
No.
Go and give me my money, let me leave here.
You did
Go and bring my money, let me leave.
No, you have not done any wrong. You are a good man, and God will bless you.
Thank you. I am alive today, and I will only see God when I die. You're talking about when I die, future. I am here now. Go and give me my money. Listen, I have already said it. I have sounded like that. Are you giving me the money, or would you want me to do what I have come to do? Come ahead, Alimeba. I want them that time.
What do you want to do?
Okay.
Maziofo, don't do what you're going to regret. Maziofo, don't do that. Maziofo, you will spoil that television. Stop, Maziofo. No, you're not taking that television away. It's not possible. You cannot. Just because I'm only you 10,000 and I want to take the television. Maziofo, that is wickedness.
If you bring my money, I will drop the television.
That is wickedness. Just because you know I don't have anybody that will speak for me, that is why you're taking the television away. God will
taking my breath away.
Azuka, my son said I should give them to you.
Hey, all this for me?
Yes, everything inside. With the bread, all the Hollandis, everything.
Thank you very much. Hey!
Yes, with the bread.
All this for me.
Yes.
Mama.
And now.
Hey, Mama.
Hey! Arinze.
How are you?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Mama. I'm going out. I want to go and see a friend. Okay, I'm coming back.
You have started. Make sure you come back very early.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Mama, I'll come back. Okay.
Nah, thank you so much. Oh, your mother gave me what you brought for me.
Mama, it's nothing. Okay. How is Anizoba?
He's doing fine.
Okay, send my regards to him.
I will.
Mama, I'm coming.
I will. Hey!
Arinze. Arinze.
I'm coming back.
Hey! Where did you say he came back from?
From Ogun State.
Ogun State? Ogun State? Say Ike. Say Ike.
Ike.
Say SS.
SS.
Say Ike SS.
Ike SS.
Good. And it's about one get Ike SS abata. Okay.
Azuka.
Are
you okay?
I am okay. Don't worry. And it's about one Ike SS abata. Okay, Ike SS abata. Come here.
I want to spoil you today, just to spoil this mood.
I beg, no spoil me. Now for you. I don't want to spoil, I beg. Let me get a laugh.
Hi! Hi! What is she saying? It's not that kind of spoil. I mean, I want you to have fun.
If you tell me now, no, yo, if you tell me,
Village
if
girl.
I no, they call me village girl. No, they call me that thing.
Please, can I have my usual? Can I have Ferrous with my Glenfiddich 18 years, then 2 glass cups? Hi. Don't worry, when you're going back to the village, this same drink, I'm going to package one and put in your bag. When you get to the village, you'll be drinking it 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the night.
No, wow.
Hi, that's it.
Yeah,
thank you. Please look for opener. Huh? This drink, you will like it. Yes. There you go. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, so there is.
nah, this drink is very funny. This drink is fine.
It's not a drink, the drink is inside.
How much you buy?
It's not important. Just leave it.
Tell me now for you. How much you buy?
I'm not telling you anything, please. Nne, please let me have it. Hi. Glenn. Glenn.
Jesus!
What happened?
You buy this drink for 45,000 naira. 45,000 naira, 1 bottle of drink and you buy it. I'm not embarrassing you anything. 45,000 naira, you buy this drink.
It's nothing, just...
It's not that I asked you for 30,000 naira for business. Ordinary 30,000 naira. Zeku, you do not give me. You do not give me, and you buy this drink.
You're embarrassing me.
It's not an embarrassment. A whole full shop. That's what you want to drink. 45,000 naira, Zeku. Zeku, you lie. You will return this drink.
You can't do that. Return it. Why?
Zeku, you go return them. Now, I'm embarrassing you now, Abi. I'm embarrassing you. Zeku, this is not embarrassment. If you don't know what they call them, make I tell you. It is called being money conscious and avoiding extravagant expenses. So you go return this drink. Carry on. Zeku, let me ask you. This drink now, if you drink and finish, will it give you spiritual healing?
Why?
No, what will this drink do to your body? Bia, this girl. They take you make you bring her, you bring her. If now brother now take you make you bring drink for 45,000 naira, you go bring her. Say, I don't mark your face. I don't mark your face. If you see me for road, they run. Even knows of also. For 5,000 naira. That's what you want to drink.
Why are you doing this?
Don't worry. Sabi, Jebu. Don't worry. If you see the follow the law. Yeah. Even knows of. But what? Magamu wey you no compete. You got to get.
I hope all is well.
Mama, all is not well. It can never be well.
What is it?
Mama, I think you should call Brother Anis about to come home.
Why do you say so?
Because he doesn't come home often. And people may start to think that he is not successful and see us as nothing. Mama, just look at Arinze. Arinze that traveled to Ogun State, the local city. He came back with a car and even bought you gifts. Now, his mother's shoulders are almost touching the sky. Think about it.
Yes, you have a point. You are right. She's now moving around, feeling too important, thinking she is better than I am, just because she gave me clothes and bread.
Mama, local one, local wrapper and bread. I don't even know why you collected them.
Yes. She bought agege bread for me,
Local one.
I will give her ShopRite bread. And make sure I also give her 6 Hollandies.
Now you are talking like my mother.
Hey, and Izoba must come back.
Exactly what
I'm going to call him.
Hey, we have to pepper them. Oh.
This woman has insulted me.
Mama, we will pepper them.
Hey! And Izoba. You got another. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. What about Machi? How are you people doing?
We are fine. We are fine. When did you come back from service?
Mama.
This evening?
Yes.
And you're already here?
I came to see how you're faring.
Hey, my daughter. I'm fine.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Look at you. You're looking good.
Thank God.
Looking good.
Thank you, Mama.
Let me
give you mango.
Let me give you some.
Okay. I should have been another.
No.
Now waiting I go get no. Yep, we touch one, Mama.
Mama!
She's a troublesome person. Only I'm a trouble.
You are welcome. Is this you calm one? No, you're welcome. Mama. Mama, where's that? You not smell like a city girl. Ha! Mama, now for you. You know I be city girl. Mama, go city. You're welcome. Mama, if you go to city, you know go come back again. Mama, Okune wunelo like this. Okay. Ha! Hey! Mama, if you go to the city, you won't want to come back again. Mama, city is very fine. Calm down. My level don't pass this village. My level don't pass this village. You got to go the points now. Mama, I hope you bought city bread for me. Mama, not talk that one. Forget it. Mama, that Jeku is a very stingy man. He's very, very stingy. Mama, that guy know and say, Nkita my dear. Wait, you mean Jeku did not give you money? Mama, pota. That guy, he gave me only 4,500 naira for transport. Only 4,500 naira, he did not give me anything. Shit for foolish like this, he did not give me. Mama, pota your bag, Mama, carry your bag. Carry your bag inside. Carry it inside. Go. Mama. You're welcome.
Missing ring. Oh, my missing ring. My missing ring. My missing ring. Missing ring. My missing ring. Missing ring.
Hey, Amanda. Guess what?
What? What is it?
My brother, your husband to be, is coming back.
Are you serious?
I was with Mama when she called him. See, in fact, if he is not coming back with his private jet, that means he will be coming back with his convoy of cars.
Machi.
Amanda, let me tell you.
Are you kidding me?
You need to see the way his voice was sounding. Money. My brother is rich. He is swimming in money. Oh, the ego.
Machi, you're kidding me.
Who is the kid here?
Baby, no, my missing ring. My missing ring.
Mama, where was TV? Mama, your fuck came and took it. And took it. For what? What happened? Because of the money we owe him. Mama, how much we owe this man? How much we owe this man when we not go rest for this house? It's 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. Ordinary 10,000 naira. Now you make this man carry in 2 left legs. Come carry my television. You know the fear. Okay.
Equitas, Equitas, come! Please don't make trouble. Equitas, come! I'm calling you.
Equitas, you know. Now waiting I go again. If I can love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again.
You don't get this now. You know I am Abi.
Where are you going? Where are you going this way?
Come to my house. To insult yourself.
Drop it. Come. Where are you going with my television?
Where
are you going with my television?
Did you carry my mother's television or you did not carry it? You carry my mother's television or you not carry it?
That your question is irrelevant because you are aware that your mother is owing me.
I stop forgetting what
your mother is owing me.
You think it's somebody?
Go and drop my
television. If you don't now, I'll burn it down. I'll burn this house down now. You don't hear the flare, B? You know the face. See, you don't make me vex. Don't make me vex.
Go and drop my TV. If you don't drop my television, if I descend on you, even get Maggie, your mouth cannot tell.
Now me the threat.
Go and drop my television.
Master, you threaten me. See this television, I go break am, beat you join and carry my own to go. You not do anything. You not gonna do anything, Master. Not try me, oh. Don't use me play, oh. I don't tell you now.
Don't drop my television. I will descend on you and you get Maggie.
Master, now me the threat. You want to catch it for you now. Master, yeah, why when you just the fish like come to my house and carry my television. Okay, so come and give him now.
Wait.
Okay, come and give him. Come and give him.
Hold on.
Master,
hold on.
Okay, you should never
wait. Let me give you your television. This is very expensive. Wait.
It's very expensive. I'll break it and I'll still build you and join. Hey, you carry this on leg. Want to come on my television? There is man. No, waste my time, oh. No make me face on you now. No waste my time, oh. Don't use me play, oh. Instead of for you the play now. Drop it there.
This is your television.
Drop it there. But let me check if it's okay. Thank you, God. See, myself, if you try it next time, you want to understand, I think I'll piss your leg. You get good, Okada. Not try me again, oh. I don't tell you now. Idiot! Just right next time.
You, your mother, your generation idiot. Ask her for 4. You're a kid. The whole of your generation idiot. Don't worry. I will make sure you pay for this. You will surely pay for this. You will never go free. Hey! Offer! Hey! A fowl that swallows a needle will never leave the boast of you.
But if you enter Hawala, you go see something. You go see something. If you enter Hawala, you go see something. If you not like a she not gonna like you. If you not like a with us, she not gonna like you at all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. She not gonna like you at all. If you not send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send you at all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. If you not like it with us, if you not send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send you. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. It's your body go on. If you not send me.
Arrest them!
Arrest who?
Arrest them!
Who arrest my mama?
That woman is a debtor. She's owing me. She's a debtor. This one is a promoter. Promoting evil, a lot of things. She came to my house to make trouble. Officers, do your work. Do your work.
Mama not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere. What did she do? What did my mama do?
You don't say police, Oku.
She keep
arguing with police.
Mama keep
You don't argue with police.
Not money she dey.
Officers, do your work.
Officer, not money my mama dey owe. Not money she dey owe. She keep person. Officer, I want to ask you. Officer, let me ask you. Let me ask you a question. When they write am for Nigerian Constitution, say if you owe person, make me arrest her. Eh? Or you think I don't know my rights? You think I don't know my rights now? Man's your fault. My mama is not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
Officers, do your work.
My mother is not going anywhere. Okay, you think I don't know my rights? You think I don't know my rights? See, you're carrying gun. If you carry gun, you go shoot me tire. You go shoot me here tire. Nothing will happen. You think I don't know my rights? Come arrest her now. Arrest her, Mama. Calm down. Leave me. Leave me.
You have the court.
What's this?
To argue with the police. And that's a police open.
I argue with her. She keep passing.
Officer, do your work.
She keep passing. Not money she dey owe. You put us. You put us. In fact, arrest me. Arrest me. Officer. No, come back. Come back. Come back. You're not arresting. Everyone, calm down. They said they are not arresting you. Calm down. Calm down. Officer, please. You arrest me. Please. I want you to arrest me. Everyone, calm down. Yes.
Waiting I go gain if I can love, who no love me. Now waiting I go gain, no. If we touch one, mama. She's a troublesome person. Only Anna trouble. Only Anna wahala. Wahala komoko. She know they look for trouble. She know they look for wahala. But if you enter her wahala, you go see something. You go see something. If you enter her wahala, you go see something. If you not like it, she not gonna like you. If you not like it with us, she not gonna like you at all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. She not gonna like you at all. If you not send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send you at all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. If you not like it with us, if you not send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send you. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. It's your
Excuse me, please. Can I talk to you? Yes. Beautiful lady. How are you?
I am fine.
So how may I help you?
Please, I would like to have a word with you.
So, because you're driving a cheap black car, that is why you stopped me on the road?
What?
Okuya? Look, I am married. And my husband lives in Lagos. He has fleet of cars and not these cheap ones. And he's going to buy a private jet very soon. Yeah, and not this your cheap black car.
Come on, you don't have to be rude about this.
Please, I have to. It is obvious you don't know your class. You might look class again. And if you're driving a cheap car, that is why you stopped me. My husband is definitely going to buy a new one. And I'm going to give you a name because of cheap car. It's not even up to my husband's standards. Could you imagine what happened? That useless boy stopped me on the way to ask me out. Just because he came home with one alakaleji. If you want to
Is it Arinze you're talking about?
Yes, now who else?
And what did you tell him?
Don't you trust me again? I gave him a food for thought that will give him sleepless nights. Next time he will not stop me on the way again. Just because he came back with one stupid car. I didn't forget to remind him the caliber of man I'll be married to very soon.
Wait. You will be married to, or that you are married to?
Please. Married to. Your blood, the
Please
heart.
don't use that married to again. No. Always use married to. Because as long as I'm concerned, you are already married to my brother, Mrs. Anizova.
You can say that again.
And I'm happy you insulted that idiot. He is so full of himself.
I trust you. I use this salt where say you there. Next time he will not stop me on the way.
But please, always use married to.
Because you're my sister-in-law. You don't have any problem with that. Just forget it.
Now waiting I go again. If I can love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again. She's a troublesome person.
Mama. How did you come out? Come out where? From cell. Hey, Mama, now you say you don't know me. You don't know me. Me. Enter cell. Who they breathe? Nobody put me for cell for this village. Now me get this town. They put me for cell. What happened? They're not trying. So what happened? Mama, they did that they make noise. They talk anyhow. The DPO can't call us. So the man last didn't say 2 weeks I will pay them. No while I will pay them. God has sent you. Mama, chalo. Wait. Let me ask you. Mama, why are we this poor? So because we are poor, you not ask stupid questions all the time. My friend, follow me to the backyard. Let us go and arrange what we are going to sell in the market. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
You are celebrating a relationship that even the man in question doesn't know about your existence.
And what is wrong with that?
Amanda, everything is wrong with that. Amanda, I am certain that Mama and Papa will be so disappointed at themselves for sending you to school because of the level of your stupidity. You are hoping on a man. You don't even know if he has a wife in the city.
Biko, Somto. Do not even change my mood this evening. Biko, Somto. Don't even change my mood. Yes, so don't even change my mood because it is a lie. If he does, Machi and her mother will definitely tell me now. How can I wham? Ha!
Amanda, common sense is not even common.
Lap is there like that. Leave it like that.
Very gogi. And I got off to change. You got for him the wrong way.
So you have shown me love unconditional. You have taken me away from this earth.
Who there?
Customer.
How much do they sell this bottle?
400 naira.
I'll give you 150 now.
How many you want buy?
I won't buy one.
I don't even sell them 300. Just like 350 make herself.
350 for this nonsense oil. We fit get test. Yeah, tell any.
No, you don't get test. Wait till get a smell like your mouth. I wait till get to that.
Now my mouth you say they smell.
Yes, no be no smell. You get out of your mouth. I better close mouth before you blind me. Before you go use this your mouth, I blind you.
Can't carry down your hand corner. It be like say no get respect.
They go, they go.
They talk to me.
I now. What is it? I was there for you now.
Madam, they talk to this your daughter.
Leave me. It's all right. See this guy, you price me oil 150. You dey crazy.
No be buy, I won't buy oil.
You get money, right?
I don't get money. Wait till I pass on your money.
It's okay. Mama, leave me a bag.
Now go.
Madam, they talk to her.
We don't have
See, I was there for you now. I was there for you. No. Get out.
Allow him to go.
Leave me. Stop holding me. Idiot. See your shirt. See your brown shirt. One naira you don't get to come buy oil. Now, if people give me the oil, my concept for you. Idiot. Mama, leave me. If I see you again, go punish you. Idiot.
Okay, Mama, I will call you when I get to the city.
Okay.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm missing you already.
Just take care of yourself for me.
I will. But listen, drive carefully as well. Fine, drive carefully. Fine, don't forget to pray.
I won't forget to pray.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Promise me.
I will, Mama.
Promise me you will not forget.
I will, Mama. Come on. When are you coming to this? When will you come to this?
When you come and carry me, I will come.
Ah, don't worry.
Okay. It is when you say I should come. I'll jump and I'll come.
You're funny.
Yes.
Just take good care of yourself.
I will.
I'll call you as soon as I get
Okay.
to this.
Okay. Remember what I told you?
No problem.
If I always pray. If I pray.
Come on, Mama. I won't. Alright, take care.
What do you want? I want to charge my phone.
100 naira full battery.
I know now, plug them now.
Should I use my charger or you? Sorry.
If let's say you blind. No, look this phone. Look am very well. Look am very well. It resemble all this China phone where you dey charge for me.
You never reach like this.
I beg, use my charger before you spoil my phone for me. Take am o.
Sorry, customer.
Yeah, do you come on your?
Oh, customer.
Power them phone.
iPhone, Customer, you cannot sit down here. You will go home and come back for your phone to. You cannot sit here.
Also, give me.
Customer, you cannot sit here.
I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here until my phone is fully charged.
Yes.
Okay, wait though. You want to take my phone?
Customer, Ruben Odiana.
See, this phone you go buy your whole shop. You go buy everything, all the phone with the here.
It hasn't got into this. No worry. Stay. No worry.
The grace. You touch me. We'll be friends now. Bestie goes. Now what you do? Idiot.
Equio.
Mama?
Why not tell your friend Jeku to help you with some money so you can start up a business?
Who tell you say I never tell her? Who tell you?
What did he say?
Mama, the only thing with this boy they talk now, I gave you plans for you. I gave you package for you. I guess, Mama, small plan I no see. Big plan I no see.
That means he's really stingy.
Very stingy. Mama, he's a very stingy man. Very, very wicked. No be say no get money. Because I'm a normal man, they carry me come out. Buy drink of 45k. 45,000 naira, yes. Eh? Drink of 45,000 naira? Wait though. Ma. You sure say this guy don't be ritualist? Ma. He's not a ritualist. Or who ritualist? If I don't know him now, I go say I'm a ritualist. He's just a very wicked person. He's wicked. Very wicked and stingy. But no wahala.
But wait though. If he can buy you drink of 45,000 naira, why can't he give you little money to start up a business?
This question and I ask myself, but no see answer. I don't ask myself this question now, but no see any answer.
You know what? You are going to try again. You will ask him again. Huh? You know?
Ugochi!
Ugochi! I can hear you. I answered. Nanya, I answered you. What is it again?
This is the second week. Your daughter and I agreed for 2 weeks to return my money. I want my money now. Now, Magom.
Maziofo, why are you doing this? Eh? Please calm down. I will personally bring that money to you. Biko.
You have started again, oh. You have started again. Ugochi, you have started again. If I go to the police now or seize any of your property, you and your useless, stupid daughter will be making noise. And your daughter will be jumping up and down, coming to my house to disturb, to make noise.
Maziofo, please watch your words. My daughter is not useless. My daughter is not stupid. You are just being difficult. Yes! You are just being difficult.
No, you are shouting at me.
Even you and I know that you don't need that money now.
How do you know I don't need the money now? How do you know I don't need the money? Are you in my pocket? Are you in my pocket?
Maziofo, your son is rich. I know 10,000 naira is not your problem. You are just being wicked.
10,000 naira is not my problem. Because my son is rich, I should be going about throwing money everywhere. That's what your brain gives you. Give me my money, let me live here.
Don't worry, I will personally bring your money. That's all.
No, there is no problem. Just sit down.
Maziofo, what is it again?
There is no problem. You see, there is just one condition with which if you meet up, I can forget the 10,000 naira for you. Money is money is nothing. I will leave the money for you. 10,000 naira will just go.
I hope the condition is within my powers.
Oh, of course. You see, the thing is, like you said earlier, my son is very rich. And there is nothing I want from my son that I will not get. As you're looking at me, I don't lack anything.
Maziofo, you have not said anything. I am still listening.
To go to Meza for you. Ugochi, to go to Meza for you. Who want to follow Melania?
Yes, I for you.
My van, oh, you see, the truth. I want you to be my mistress.
What? Maziofo?
You know, you want? I mean, I want you to be my girlfriend. You will not lack anything. Nemusi, Bamaka, Optife, Iticha Patango. I will make you shine. Your beauty will come out. How about one you came with more idea? No,
that will be over my dead body.
What do you mean over your dead body? No, does it mean that your late husband, when he was alive, was more handsome than myself? Or that he had more money than me?
Get out of my house now! Okay. Get out of my house, or I will pour you fuel and set you ablaze. Mother.
Are you threatening me out of your house? Because of my money? Because of my money. Alright. I'm giving you 5 days. In 5 days time, if you don't bring my money, hey, I got wire. We are going to battle it. Love. Listen to me. If I love, listen to me. Love is natural and nature is love.
Leave my house now. You are looking for who? I don't want to commit murder. Leave my house.
I will deal with you.
Old fool, Luna.
You will get yourself in court. 5 days.
We will meet I'll deal with you. Okay, so it's all about this, eh? Shameless old fool. It's all about this, eh? Go and tell them you did not see me. Shameless old fool. Go and look for your clothes where you took your bed. You are looking for a mistress. When they see I'm a bromo goat. You might be able to get your back.
Onyenze has come back to the city.
So soon? Eh? It's barely 2 weeks he came back.
No money. What do you expect? He doesn't have money. He knows that if he spends more than 2 weeks, he will run out of cash, and the villagers will know that he doesn't have money, that he is broke.
Yes, that is true.
Mama, I know all those tactics. See, by the time my brother Anisoba, the billionaire, comes back, I will make sure that he spends more than 2 months eating and swallowing money. Everybody will know the real billionaire in this village.
So, he doesn't have money. And his mother was busy parading herself as a rich woman.
Mama,
hey!
All fake life. That is what they are living, fake life.
Yes!
Hey. They will know the real billionaire. My brother Anisoba.
Yeah, what about the
we will pepper them. Mama, we will pepper them.
Yes, we will pepper them.
They will know the real billionaire. Anisoba.
Maziofo just left here. Maziofo. What he talk? He said that the 2 weeks agreement over his money has elapsed. That he will be here in 5 days to collect his money. What about Jehu? Mama, no, they call that name. No, they call that name. Leave Jehu matter. Mama, see, as they see me so. I know they like who no like me. If you don't like me, I no go like you. So leave him matter. I don't beg that guy money, you no want give me. So leave him. It's alright. You just give him some time. Oh? Mama, what we go do now? What we go do? This entire meal. I don't know.
Mama!
Mama, your son is here! Uche! This is my brother! Brother, I want to carry you!
How are you?
Mama!
Hey!
Mama!
Brother!
Mama!
Don't worry, there is more. There is more. There is more, Mama.
Hey!
Mama! Mama!
Hey!
Mama, don't worry. There is more. How are you?
My brother is back!
My brother is back!
Amanda, since our parents died and left us alone in this world to survive, it has all been us. Just us. I am your brother, your blood. I can never deceive you. I can never lead you astray. I will tell you the truth, Amanda. It is wrong for someone to put all her eggs in one basket.
So, though, what are you saying in essence? Where are you driving to?
Okay. Eh? Okay. Should Anizoba return with the kind of money his people said he would return with? Good. If he marries you, fine. I will be delighted. I will be so happy for you. But what if he doesn't marry you?
Somto, Anizoba listens to his mother. So his mother would definitely convince him to marry me now. Eh? Can you be like this?
Amanda, do you rather marry a man who is forced to marry you, or someone who is willing to spend the rest of his life loving and caring for you?
Somto, whichever way. Eh?
Okay, Amanda. Now tell me, what is it about Anizoba that makes you love her?
This life no balance well. This life no balance well. Person we get money, no one give away. People we get them, they no one give out to all. Person we no get to make it freestyle. People we no get to make it freestyle. If you know like me, rap it all like that too. Rap more, that one like a mobile. They say which way na way. This one na my way.
Oh, my son. You are welcome.
Thank you, brother. How are you?
Fine, no. Please, come and sit down.
Oh, Mama, don't bother. Don't worry yourself.
You don't want to sit down?
Mama, don't bother. Don't worry yourself. Is Ekutos around?
Ekutos is not around, though. She went out this morning. I hope there is no problem.
I see. No problem. No problem. Yeah. I hope you're fine.
I am fine and strong. As you can see, I am tying this granite so that I can go to the market and sell them.
Ijoma, Ijeba Fioma. Mama, please tell Ekutos to see me as quickly as possible. Okay. It's very important.
I will. So why they hear me do that?
Okay.
But you see, oh?
Okay.
Every day, biggie dreams. I no need them again. Because no. Just give me the small one I want you. If you don't like me, wrap your like that. Wrap them up.
Not possible.
This one is my pattern. You must follow my pattern. I have a bigger plan.
You know, attach. You're back. Welcome. Your boyfriend was here today. My boyfriend? With it, he just asked of you. He asked of me? And what did you going to tell him now? I told him I don't know your whereabouts. But he said I should tell you whenever you return that you should come and see him immediately. What did he tell you? Yes. Okay. No wala. I'll go see him tomorrow. Kutos, I hope there is no problem. Mama, leave that stingy man. Leave him. No wala. When I reach there tomorrow, I go hear what he won't talk. No worry yourself. They go. Because I can't remember the last time he visited though. No wala. He just rushed. I don't know. I was totally confused though. Mama, relax yourself. Try and go and see him, you know? I will see him.
See him for eye before you go talk. If he not like me, wrap your like that. Wrap him up.
Yes, so what do you say you want?
Nai, I've come for something very important for me.
Something very important?
Yes, Nai.
Very important.
Nai, I want you to lend me some money. Once my son returns in a week time, I will pay you back.
Okwego, Kebial.
Yes, Nai.
You want me to lend you some money so that you will pay me back when your son returns?
Yes, Nai. My son is very rich and he will pay you back with interest. It's just that I don't want him to know that we are preparing a welcome back party for him.
Okwego. Azuka. Asi na okwu ba na ego nwa mgbe ya ewele ọnụ ya. Emebe ihe ego n'obodo a achọba ọfọ. Achọ ebe ya agbata mbibi achọba ọfọ. Marụkwa na ọnụ eji biri akụ abụrụ ka eji akwụ ụgwọ. Ihe kwe kwuru na uji abụrụkwa ka ọ na-ekwu na ọna.
Don't worry yourself. My son will pay you back with interest.
You want me to lend you this money? If I may ask you, like how much are we looking at? How much are you expecting to?
100,000 naira.
Huh?
Yes, 9. We will pay you.
Wait. About 100,000 naira.
Yes, 100,000 naira. We will pay you 50,000 on top of it. That making it 150,000. That is what my son will pay you. Oh?
Azuka. Etwakinu sada nanti abroko to akosa tonon. We will pay you 50,000 naira on top. Oh well. So I asked you. I know that for sure I will never lend such money out without anything. But I have told you, Bruko no bina. Ye kwe kunu jabira ko ni kunu na. Onu ejibiri ako. Onu ejibiri ako. Onu ejibiri ako.
Don't worry yourself. I am sure of what I'm telling you.
Are you really sure?
I am sure. My son has money.
Azuka.
We want to make his return a remarkable one. We want it to shake the entire community. Is that so? So how is your mama preparing for us? Amanda, we want to throw a welcome party and welcome him in a grand style.
At least it is worth it. His arrival in the community will shake the whole place.
Now you get the point. You get the point. See, and I also want you to dress as a new bride. Hey. Prepare yourself. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand perfectly well. This whole community, we know that we have arrived.
Then go no say doing is get level. Not be a reason then oh no. When my brother enters, they go no say the billionaire brother Anizoba don't enter with convoy, private jet. If girls don't take you with aeroplane. The newest bride, latest bride in town.
I borrowed 100,000 naira, but I told Maziofo that when my son Anizoba comes back, he will pay him with interest of 50,000 naira. That was why he agreed to give me the money.
Mama, you would have borrowed 500,000 naira so that you welcome brother in a grand style. Make Mama Arinze them know say doing is get level.
Don't worry, 100,000 naira will be okay.
Mama, it's not okay.
It's okay.
I know what I'm telling you. What is 100,000?
I have been hearing you, both of you, discussing about this. I decided to keep mute, but the idea of borrowing money to sponsor the celebration of an unseen is totally insane.
Biauche, are you alright? So it has gotten to the point where you insult Mama and I with big grammar.
I am not insulting you people, but I am only speaking the facts.
Which facts? Mature no facts. What do you know about facts? Mature no facts. Do you know what we are talking about here?
The fact is the fact. Mama, the truth will always remain the truth. Take it or leave it.
Sure. Mama, let him go. He's a mood spoiler. Because let's continue from here.
So we have to...
No, Mama, that 100,000 is not done.
Repairing your old phone. What happened to the new one? It's not that stupid, Jay. Don't collect your phone back. Why? Don't collect it. I don't know. No, I don't want to remember. Just leave me. Just leave and go.
Officer, arrest her.
Arrest who? What did happen?
Officer, perform your duty.
But this man, if I say you get covenant with police, with your monkey, what did happen for you? Arrest who?
Listen to me. You have just two options. Either you follow the police to the station, or you give me my money here and now. Shh, don't.
For my face. You told my mama that. Now when I say shh, do what you go do. I know I'll give you again. If you keep person kill her, I know I'll give you.
Give me my money, officers. Before the police.
Yes, I know I'll give you. How much is the money?
You know how much you are owing. Give me my money.
The little guy. In fact, I will give you again. Do what you want to.
Officer, I think you should perform your duty.
Do your work, I will give you again. I will give you again. Do it.
They will do their work, oh. Give me my money, or you follow them to the station.
No.
Why?
Hey, man, because of you. And because of you. Now why I want to get this money? Because of you. Poor man. You know guys you make noise.
Go and bring the money.
Mama, I will come. Mama, I'm coming. Mama, is there for police, Biko?
You have no right to question the police that came with me. They are my police. Don't say anything. Just keep quiet or you join. Don't waste our time. We don't have that time.
She's a troublesome person. Only a natural trouble.
You want my I'm there for the horse. I'm not the horse. Nobody me speak.
That's a perfect job. Let's go.
Come over here.
The job is done, officer.
I don't see you again, oh. Yeah, master, if I see you again, I will cut your legs, oh. You
You don't get money.
You've done your final
Walk
work.
now. 1 naira you don't get, they make noise. 10,000 naira. Mama, calm down, Nadia. They make noise. See, she no get.
This is a big relief.
Mama, calm down. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. Calm down. No one. No, they can say. Calm down.
And you say your son will soon be coming back. Okay?
Yes, so I'm not just coming back, but he is coming back in a grand style with all kinds of exotic cars you may have heard about. You know you're my friend. And I remember that time your son came back. You gave me some cheap wrappers and agege bread. Now, I want you to mention the type of Hollandis you will want to use. Okay, Bunata ShopRite bread. Have you eaten that one before? Oh my God, ShopRite bread. ShopRite. I know you've not eaten it before.
Your son must be a very rich man.
Not just rich, more than rich that you can imagine. Hey, that reminds me. I would want you to join the women that will prepare the food for the party. Yes, I heard your mother ran a restaurant then when you were young. And I know you still have some experience on how to prepare delicious food. Don't worry, I will bring money. So that you will go to the market and get some few things you will use to prepare salad for the party.
Azuka, don't worry. As for the cooking, I will come. But as for the Hollandis and the agege bread or ShopRite bread or shop left bread, don't bother yourself. Whatever my son gives to me satisfies me. Oh?
I hope you didn't misunderstand me.
No, I understand you very well. Yes.
Okay. Oh.
Azuka. Sebempo.
Don't worry, I will bring the money for you.
I'm waiting for the money. You can go.
Hey, no. Very soon you get changes in there, Nine. Oh, you see, I am not trying to insult you. I just want to explain it the way you will get me. This party is not going to be a small party. It's not a poor man party. My son is a rich man.
Mama, how did you manage to raise that money? Mama, leave that one. No worry. Don't bother yourself. No. I will bother. Because I know since you came back from the city, you have not been doing anything. So how did you manage to raise the money? Mama, don't tell you me you leave this one. Okay, now my savings. Now the money I don't they save day. And because I say I don't want to make this man come and insult you. Now I just give him. Just leave him, make it go. Leave him.
Name. God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Which one be God will bless you? Your debt now, my debt now. Calm down. And as for God will bless me, you don't bless me rich. I'm a star girl. You don't supposed to know this one now. I mean they run this town. Mama, calm down, come there. Mama, the mama. I dare you. Calm down. Oh, it's a big relief on me.
She's a troublesome.
Mama, people are beginning to lose their cool. But that is why he's supposed to be here by now.
Yes, I thought as much. I don't know what is keeping him.
Mama, I hope nothing bad has happened to him.
Something bad like what?
Hey, maybe accidents. Hey, or even kidnappers. Because of the kind of money he has in his car.
No, hey, no. I prayed against it. It is not my son's portion.
Mama, just
it cannot be his portion.
Call him first.
Yes, that is
Mama, call him first.
Go and get my phone.
Going on here? Eh? Is Marty getting married? Marty, where's your husband? Where's your husband?
Brother, where are your cars and your guards? Where are they?
Yes. You say?
Your cars.
Which car?
We mean your convoy. The ones you came back with.
Mama, which convoy? I came back with Okada. That's the only convoy that... Mama, they were here when Okada broke. Convoy, go! Hey! Convoy, go! Hey! Mama, convoy, go! Yeah! Mama, why did you drag me like that now? I was already here enjoying the music.
What are you saying? That party, we organized it for you.
For you, brother?
Yes, that.
Mama, tell you. Mama, say you dey whine me.
No.
For me? Mama, why?
It's a welcome party for you, my son.
Mama, did they tell you I'm $10 or e-money? I don't have money, oh. Mama, see this? You see this clothes now? Now my friend I borrow am from because I want come village.
Hey!
He said, wear better clothes. But Mama, no worry. I dey hustle well for city. If I don't go back, I go get plenty money. No worry.
Brother, wait. Are you trying to tell us that you are broke?
Mama, see
Yes,
see, when they say somebody is broke, that means say the person don't get money before no come get.
Hey!
I mean, I don't get money before. I know broke, I poor, but Mama, don't worry. You know God will do it. All your prayers on me, they will come to life. But don't worry. You know, sitting. I will have money before the end of the year.
Please,
by God's grace.
stop joking. Just, what are you trying to say?
Mama, I'm not joking. See, even this clothes I'm wearing, I collected it from my friend because I want to look good for you. Mama, ego at the raw. There's no money on ground. I don't. Chichi, I don't get.
Brother, wait first. In my dream, you were so rich. You have money.
See, Mama, see, Machi.
No,
that one is dream now. That one is dream. Come back to reality. Even in dream, you know how many pepper soup I don't chop chicken, chop turkey for dream. I don't chop am for real life.
Hey! Stop that. Stop joking.
Mama, I'm not joking. Mama, ego adiro. There's no money on ground. Mama, I want to go and dance. Can't you hear the music?
No.
Hey!
No! And it's over. Do you think you don't have money at all?
Mama, do you think I'm joking?
Just tell
What are you trying to say?
Just tell us that you are joking. Just tell us.
Hey. Mama, I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning. I'm hungry. I said I want to go and dance. No. Hey! I will feed these people.
He is talking like a tout.
Hey! Did you just see that? Was that a dream or a movie?
Dream, quoi? What kind of dream is that?
If it is a movie,
You borrowed money to do what?
to give you a befitting welcome party.
Mama, why won't you tell me? How you borrow money to throw a party for me? Do you know how much I have now? Wait, Mama, what even gave you the impression that I'm living in luxury?
Listen, Arinze that based in Ogun State came back with a car. And we heard there are many opportunities in Lagos.
Hey, Mama, if I say you know your ways, Lata say money no dey Lagos. Now also everybody they also for Lagos. So.
Listen, Arinze that based in Ogun State came back with a car. And we heard there are many opportunities in Lagos.
Hey, Mama, who told you this one? Oh, Mama, if I say you know your ways, Lata talk say money no dey Lagos. Now also everybody they also for Lagos. So, Mama, no go dey make them know they lie for you.
I want them about this. I want them before this thing, before the borrowing of the money. But they wouldn't listen to me. They took my words for nothing. Kito Omego, quick forget.
Will you keep quiet? What do you even know?
Mba. Why will you be shouting at him? Is he not saying the truth? We're not supposed to tell me. Even if Mama won't tell me, you're not supposed to tell me.
But it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. No wahala na. Go they borrow money, they do party. No wahala na. No wahala. Please, how much are we even talking about?
100,000 naira to pay 150.
Wait. Mama, how much again?
100,000.
100,000. 100,000.
Brother, in my dream, you were very rich.
See. If I slap you, if I slap you, you go the miserable. 100,000. Wait, I can't believe this. Mama, why do you want me to say 100,000? As I did like this, 50K. I never hold like this. 50K. The money wey dey my account na 3,500. 100,000. No wahala na mama, you kuku get plenty wrapper. You go sell that wrapper take pay this debt. If mama no fit sell wrapper, you dead there. You say it's a sacrifice. It's a sacrifice. No wahala.
In my dream, you were very rich.
You will go back to that dream and go and collect that 150k. If not, you dey follow mama, right? You go sell your kidney if mama no fit pay. Mama, wait, you think say when you go sing 30 billion for the account? You say na me dey follow them. 3,500 na dey my account. I don't get it. Mama, I want give me, I want shop.
Nto, I warned you. Look at what you have landed us to.
Mama, I want him. No. I will put my anger on you now. Yeah. Idiot.
Hey. Hey. What are we going to do?
Mama, Onyenze bread even on the table. At your meter.
Anizoba.
Chimamanda, you are here. I've been looking for you. Wait, let me ask you, Amanda. Now that your supposed e-money has turned to Israel DMW, what is your fate?
Sumto, what is the meaning of that question now? Eh? Can't you be here?
What the Ajuju here is, are you still marrying him or not? You can.
How is that your business? Eh? Are you his wife to be?
But you are my sister, and I care more about you.
Please, Sumto, just allow me to think. Allow me to think, eh?
Well, I'm not obstructing your brain. I told you earlier, never you put all your eggs in one basket. You took me for a fool. If you gave in or now, you may go public assault. You go now in the whole community.
Sumto, please, the last thing I want you to do now is to complicate this issue. Please, I don't want your problem this afternoon. No. Just let me be.
So, Badro, I'm taking my problems inside. So when you are done thinking and conclude, you let me know.
Yes, allow me to think. Let me think.
I'm so disappointed in you. I am so disappointed, and I know that Mama and Papa are also disappointed too. Illiterate graduate. Look at you.
Sumto, I illiterate graduate. Sumto, I don't blame you. I blame Anizoba's mom and Machi for deceiving me all these years. Eh? Now Anizoba has come back disappointing me. No problem, it's about the rock. All of you are just the same.
You haven't visited the house ever since my brother came back. Why?
Machi, nothing. I've just been thinking lately.
Thinking about what?
The disappointment now, eh? If I believe again, Mama Guam.
Amanda. Wait. So, because Anizoba didn't return as expected, wait. Does that mean you won't marry him?
It's not what I said. Eh? It's not what I mean.
Listen. My brother lives in Lagos and has a good opportunity. Because he is not rich today doesn't mean he won't be rich tomorrow. So it's left for you to decide. Look at me. It's left for you to decide.
Machi, I know. But when I came to the house, you saw everything now. Eh? Even this way, man. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I don't know.
Surprise. Just have to think about it. And decide.
Are you okay? Mama, I want to enter city. I want ball in city. Because as they be now, I
I don't tire for this village. And the village on your own, you don't tire for me. So you better me will go our separate ways. I don't tire.
Here. Ekwi. Where or whom do you know in the city that you want to go to?
Mama, no worry yourself. When we reach that gutter, we'll go jump am. Relax.
Ekwi. Remember, you are a girl. You are a woman. And you are not supposed to move anyhow. If you are a boy, I will not bother myself too much. But as a woman that you are, at least before you go anywhere, I am your mother. I should know where you're going to or whom you are going to meet.
Mama, calm down. Calm down. And it's Martin say, you know you're a woman. Not only you know I'm a woman, other people, they know they see me like that. They know they see me as a woman. So forget them. If I reach there, I go find my way. I go find my way. Don't worry yourself, I go do it right. Shebi, you know I don't enter city before. Calm down. Why they do like this? I go do it right. If you insist, if you take my advice, I would say let us stay here and manage. Let us stay here and manage.
You know how lazy Richard is. At least with your help, we are able to fetch 5 buckets of water each. You don't have to worry. Here is equally my home. I don't see it as a favor, rather my obligation as a new wife.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
Mama. Mama, Biko, who is that girl I just saw now with Machi fetching water?
Oh, Amanda. Do you like her?
Mama, when will you stop answering questions with questions?
Anyway, she's the girl I kept for you. I want you to marry her.
Kept for me? Mama, you are funny. Kept for me? Wait, am I now blind or deaf for you to convince a woman to marry me?
Sorry, Mama, you can still convince her with your own mouth.
Mama, that's too late. Come on, she person will know why she dey fetch water and firewood for you. See me,
Yes, that is why you just have to go ahead and marry her.
Marry again? Mama? Wait, with this my broke life. Wait, Mama, you don't forget say person will no get money, no dey chop off already.
Onyenze got the real for
Wait, Mama, wait. How do you even know my spec in women?
Anezoba.
Mama.
Have you forgotten what you told me on phone when we were discussing about marriage? You said you like them dark and curvy. And that is exactly what I kept for you. Can't you see that she has it all?
I see.
Or if you have a change of taste, there are still other girls in this village you can choose from. So many of them.
Wait, Mama, you don't tell me say now you be commissioner for women affairs for this village now.
I know what is good for my son.
Mama, this one, you disappointed me. Mama, please, I'm hungry. Can we just leave this matter for you?
Go in there, you will see your food.
Hey!
I have a run to.
Hey!
Hey! Anizoba! You mean you have not heard from her since then?
Amara, I have not even heard her voice. And I have not seen her around this environment. I don't think she lives around this neighborhood anymore.
And you have not taken any step to pay her back?
Amara, I don't understand. For what?
pay her back in her old coin. And that will stand her right.
Amara, is that necessary?
It is so. Very necessary.
What? If you say so,
you better
I'll
do.
think about it.
You better do.
I want to tell you something. As a day now, I don't reason them very well. I don't pray over them. I don't think I'm well. So now tomorrow morning I enter Eko. Earliest morning, I don't enter. Ekutos. I'm not in support of that. Mama, relax now. Why they do like this? Maybe I don't tell you before. Calm down. We're going to do alright.
Wait first. What about money? Do you have enough money with you?
Mama, money no be problem now. I go run now. Not be me again. Chill, I go run now.
Well, if that's what you want, you will have my blessings.
Mama, dear mama. Mama, calm down. Mama, wait there. Mama, they run temperature. Wait till they happen. Mama, calm down for me. Not be you born me again. I go make you proud. Mama, relax. Calm down. Mama, mo.
It's okay.
Mama, chill.
You have my blessings.
Thank you, Mama.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
I'll keep praying for you. Success is yours.
Amen. Thank you. Amen.
I wish you success.
Amen. Mama, don't worry yourself. Me, I go make you proud. Mama, touch me back. Touch up.
It is well with you.
Amen. Amen, Mama. Chill. What do you want me again? I go make you proud. Mama, relax.
Azuka, how are you?
I'm fine.
You are fine. See the way you said it. It's mixed with both laugh and cry. Azuka, I have come to collect the bread and the Hollandis that your son brought for me.
Have you come to mock me?
Mock you? I've not come to mock you. I've come to collect the Hollandis and the agege bread. Why should I mock you?
Were you not there when my son came back? Eh? You were there when my son returned. So what are you trying to say now? Eh? Were you not present, Agnes? What do you want me to tell you?
Azuka! Even if I'm here, when your son came on a borrowed bike, does not stop him from giving your friend what you promised your friend. Mba, it didn't stop him, Azuka. Let me have it. The Hollandis, those special one, bought by your rich son, that will be given to me that has gold-plated. Let me have it.
Agnes, it is obvious that you've come to mock me. Please, stop laughing at me.
You are not sober, very sober, like a prophetess. The other day you were jumping. Your son. Hey! Azuka! Azuka!
I've decided to let go of everything and still marry him since I've waited this long. But something else bothers me.
Is it about his disappointment or the fact that he doesn't depict a rich man as his family made you to believe?
He hasn't shown interest at all.
You mean he hasn't engaged you in a conversation?
Not yet. Yeah? Despite my steady visit to their home.
Agnes, you could just in a before. Agnes, just leave my house. Leave my house, Agnes.
Hey!
You have insulted me.
Azuka, you mean I should leave your house?
Yes, leave.
Hey! Azuka, wait.
Agnes, leave my house.
Cha! Convoy! Wenu! Yeah! Cha! Convoy! Wenu!
Agnes, leave. See them for. Agnes, see them for. Leave my house.
Azuka! It is over 2 weeks now. I have not seen you. I have not seen my money. What is the money you borrowed from me for? The money you borrowed from me for what was it now?
Please.
Am I your father?
Let me see.
Where is the money? You want to see me?
Let me see. No, come, let me see.
What is the
Chai! Wonders will never end! Wonders will never end! Convoy! Back! Power!
Where are you taking me to? Where is my money? Wait. Where is my money? Where are you taking me to?
Can't you see I have an evil visitor? I was giving you signal to close your mouth, yet you are still disgracing me in her presence.
You have an evil visitor?
Ifria.
Okay, you are calling it disgrace. It has not become a disgrace. When you came to borrow the money from me, it was not a disgrace. Now I want my money back, it has become a disgrace.
Now, am I the only debtor? Oh. So why must you disgrace me?
Oh. Negongwa. Okay, you are not the only debtor.
Yes.
Go inside your house now, bring my money and give it to me.
I don't have your money. I will give you your money when I have it. Is that why you are disgracing me?
Don't shout at me.
I'm not shouting
I'm not here for your story.
I'm just telling
Listen
you to
to
calm
me.
down. I will
Don't
give you
shout,
your
I
money
said.
when I have it. Huh?
You will find it difficult. Anyway, I am not here for that story. I don't have that time. You requested for 2 weeks. I gave you 2 weeks. 3-4 days grace. Yet I have not seen my money.
No problem. Just give me more time and I will bring your money to you.
You won't force me to do that. If I like, I give you more time.
I will give you your
Don't
money.
shout when I'm talking.
I'm not shouting. Just calm down.
I
I will give you your money.
If I slap you, it will look as if I'm slapping you because you're owing me. Don't talk when I'm talking, my friend. Azuka, after 5 days, if I don't get my money, you will not like me.
I've heard you. I've asked you to give me more days and you are no problem. No problem. I thought I asked you to leave my house. What are you still doing here?
So, Azuka!
Agnes.
So you borrowed money? You borrowed money? Azuka, you should have added the money from our Hollandis and their gege bread to it. To the list of the debt so that you can pay all of them at once. Hey!
You know you are very stupid. I asked you to leave and you are still in my house.
Yes.
Wait for me here.
I will stay.
Stay here and wait for me. I'm coming.
I will. See the way you were turning that day. You were dancing. You were turning your waist. You were tying blum everywhere. I will follow you. I will follow you from now to next tomorrow.
If he hasn't engaged you in a conversation, then you engage him in a conversation. It makes no difference. Yes, it's the same. It makes no difference.
Are you sure he will listen to me?
Why won't he listen to you? You are his wife-to-be. He will definitely listen to you.
See, Machi, I am conscious of this thing now. I don't want your brother to embarrass me.
He won't embarrass you, Amanda. He won't. He won't embarrass you. I know him.
So, are you sure he will not see me as a desperate and cheap girl?
No. No, he won't. You can talk to Mama about this. Alright?
Are you sure? Machi, are you sure?
Yes. You can just give it a try, alright?
Okay, I will try.
Just try.
I will try and talk to Mama.
Just try. I can't wait to have you as my sister-in-law. You know that. You know.
Problems. Public administrator.
Please, if you get to the city, be very, very careful. Oh?
Relax, yeah. I go do alright. No need to worry yourself.
It is well with you.
Amen.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh? Mama.
Amen. It shall be well with you.
Amen.
Oh? Amen. Ijoma, kampo. Ijoma, oh. Ijoma, name. Efio.
If you know like she not gonna like you. If you know like it with us, she not gonna like you at all. If you know like me, I not gonna like you. She not gonna like you at all. If you know send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send me at all. If you know like me, I not gonna like you. If you know like it with us, if you know send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send you.
Your mother said you live in Lekki Phase 1.
Eh?
Lekki Phase 1.
Say me I dey live for Lekki Phase 1. Ah. Okay. Well, I live in Lekki Phase 1 in Ajegunle. wait. Do you even know where Lekki Phase 1 is? You know people where they stay for Lekki Phase 1? The only time for my life where I don't reach Lekki Phase 1 now when I go repair generator. See Lekki Phase 1. Now Ojo Elegba dey live oh. Lekki Phase 1 for Ojo Elegba. I no reach oh. As I dey like this, if they talk about say reach, the only place where I don't reach, when say I waka reach. Nah, Badagry. I go there go also. Lekki Phase 1. Eh, Biko. Don't kill me with laugh, I beg.
Wait. So, you are not rich?
My sister, run oh. She bang shishi, I no get as I dey like this.
Okay, no problem. But did your mother tell you what I am to you?
Well, since we are both here, I think you should tell me.
That I'm your wife to be.
Oh, great. My wife to be.
Yes.
My bride. To be honest, I don't think you should be telling me that. Now me supposed to tell you. You understand? But since you don't talk up, no wahala.
Are you for real?
Sorry, oh. Lekki Phase 1. You know, let's say they don't tell you what I do for Lagos. Also, I also, I don't do conductor. I don't do bricklayer.
Now waiting I go again. If I can love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again. No. If we touch one, mama. She's a troublesome person. Only I'm a trouble. Only I'm a wahala. Wahala komoko. She know they look for trouble. She know they look for wahala. But if you enter her wahala, you go see something. You go see something. If you enter her wahala, you go see something. If you know like a queen, she no go like you. If you know like a with us, she no go like you at all. If you know like me, I no go like you. She no go like you at all. If you know send me, I no go send you. She no go send you at all. If you know like me, I no go like you. If you know like a with us, if you know send me, I no go send you. She no go send you. If you know like me, I no go like you. It's your body go on. If you no send me, I no go send you. My missing ring. Oh, my missing ring, my missing ring, my missing ring, missing ring, my missing ring, missing ring. Taking my breath away. You have shown me love unconditional. You have taken me away from this earth. You have wiped away all my negative thinking. Oh baby more.
You mean she borrowed that money to fund that party?
Amara, nobody told me. Nobody told me. I saw it with my two naked eyes. When Maziofo came there to collect his money.
So people are unbelievable. Who is she trying to compete with?
Me, of course. This me. Who else other than me? It's me, this me. But do you know what? My chi, has disgraced her publicly. My chi is bigger than hers. Yes.
By now, she will be regretting saying those words to you.
Long before now. That regret has been there. Long before now. Yeah. Hey.
Amanda, what is the problem?
Your brother Nizoma rejected me.
My brother rejected you? When?
Just now when I was talking to him, he said that to me.
Is Mama aware of this? Did you tell Mama about this?
Your mother was not around.
Okay, see. Just calm down, alright? Stop crying. I will talk to Mama once I get home.
Machi, please help me talk to your brother. I really love him.
I will. I know you love him. I will talk to him, alright?
Please, Machi.
It's okay. Let's cheer up. I'll talk to him.
Now waiting I go again. If I can't love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again.
Help you. My daughter. What's happened? You did not travel again?
I ain't travel again.
Mama, I cannot leave you in this village now. I don't feel leave you.
My daughter, don't worry, It shall be well.
Amen. I don't reason now. Don't reason I'm very well. So what I go do now? Now to just start business for this village.
Yeah.
Start better business.
It shall be well.
Let us go inside. Oh.
You go see something. You go see something. If you enter one, you go see something. If you not like a bitch, she not gonna like you. If you not like a with us, she not gonna like you at all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. She not gonna like you.
Don't worry. What is the problem? I saw Amanda while walking home and she was in tears.
Please, Machi, do not add to my headache now. I've had enough already.
Mama, what is the problem?
Maziofo was here yesterday.
What did he say?
What else? If not asking for his money. He said I have 5 days to return his money. Else, he will do his worst. That is not even my money. Everyone in this village knows that I borrowed money to sponsor Anizoba's welcome back party.
Who told them?
Agnes was here when Maziofo came.
Hey.
Despite all my efforts to calm him down, yet he said everything in her presence. I'm so ashamed though.
This is so bad. I hate that Maziofo whatsoever. He is the only male Otakpekpe we have in this village. His Otakpekpe is too much.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
Hey, so how are you going to solve it? No, you have to bring solution.
What do you want me to do? I'm just confused.
No, you cannot be confused. Mama, this is not the time to be confused though. You have to do something about this.
You now see the disadvantage of hoping on one man. If you had considered other suitors, you wouldn't be in this trauma now.
I thought he already knew about me and accepted me.
You thought? Did you ever ask to speak with him on phone?
No, I didn't. I thought everything has been sorted out.
It's all your fault. It's all your fault. You are educated. You should know more than this.
Somto, please, I'm really going through a lot. I don't want you to put my son to this injury. Somto, please. I'm going through a lot now. The last thing I want is you blaming me. Please, I'm sorry. And it's so bad disappointed me. This was not what I thought. This disappointed me. That is so bad disappointed me. I thought this had been sorted out.
Now waiting I go again. If I can love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again. No. If we touch one, mama. She's a troublesome person.
How far, boy?
What's the matter?
Too fast. Give me a car for them. I said, maybe give person a car.
She know they look for wahala, but if you enter her wahala, you go see something. If you enter her wahala,
oh boy, I mean the
Calm down.
I'm going to the dress.
What?
You use your head to touch her.
No, calm down. I don't drop her now.
What's going to worry you?
Yeah?
You mad at me?
I don't know, say you be girl now. Say person who wear.
So you blind now? You blind and see where?
No dress, man.
So every time they see you don't get eye.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Don't make me vex.
Calm down now. Calm down.
In the dress.
Never don't say sorry. What do you want? You want beat me?
See, no, you make me.
Say you want beat me.
I'm not gonna complain.
Wait till come out this thing for my face, start.
I will slap you. I will want you.
That's so. Say you want beat me. But beat me. Beat me now. I'm smart, you know. I'm kind of wondering now.
Take your time. I'm not gonna play with you.
Sorry.
I ain't going to play.
Yeah, sorry.
How much I want by itself? How much I can
100 naira.
Make I see your money.
Only day, don't worry. 100 naira, Sam. Stubborn girl.
Don't touch me.
First when see you, they go know say it's stubborn. Yeah, I can't sell akara. You too idiot.
How much akara you want buy? How much you want?
People like say go life right to
how much you want buy? Now see.
100 naira everything.
100 naira.
Now wow.
One buy 100 naira. Now they make money.
Make I test. So I don't fit test akara now. Make I test now.
I will slap you.
Ah wow.
Put your hand.
This one wey waste time by
Put
chop.
your hand.
I know.
Put your hand.
I know. Oh yeah, sell akara make I.
she's a troublesome person. Only a natural trouble.
Now what? I don't give you money since now. Hey, now I'll be like go. You go to fight wrestling for this village, oh. You don't go give me testing.
What's the one you know?
If you not like it, she not gonna like you. If you not like it with us, she not gonna like you at all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. She not gonna like you at all. If you not send me, I not gonna send you. She not gonna send me.
Nah, come on.
Azuka. Yeah, Azuka. You are the one owing me, and you have come to my house with a cutlass. Huh?
I'm going to the farm now. I'm going to the farm.
You are going to the farm? Azuka, you are going to the farm?
Yes, Nna.
And what have you come here to do? Did you bring my money?
That is why I'm here. So that I can meet you this early morning. Oh?
You want to meet me this early morning? Go ahead, talk.
About the money. For you to give me more time.
I'm listening to you.
Please, Nna. I've come to plead with you to give me more time. Let me run round to raise your money since my son has disappointed me. Biko, oh?
Azuka, I have no business with your son or with the disappointment. Nothing concerns me. What I'm after is my money.
No, Nai. Just give me more time to raise your money. That is why I'm here.
I should give you more time?
Yeah.
Okay. Like how long would you want me to give you?
1 month.
I should give you 1 month? Yes. You're a thief. You're a liar. I should give you 1 month. I should give you 1 month. Now, take 30 years. I should take 30 years to pay me my money. No, a liar. No, now be done. And then go for my listen to me. If I should consider giving you some days, it should be 3 days. If after these 3 days, if you don't give me my money, you will get to know who is Ofo. But we are going to see the other side of me. Listen, there is a great difference between seeing somebody and knowing somebody. You've been seeing me, you've been seeing Ofo, but you know who is Ofo. As you get to know who is Ofo, you will know me. After 3 days, you will know me. You got one number.
Hey, Nai.
Mama, why are you running? Who they brought you?
Why I'm running? Is it your business?
Mama,
is it your business
Mama,
why I'm running?
It's my business. You are my mother. That's what I'm asking. Who they pursue? Why they run now?
Are you not the cause of everything?
Cause of what?
If you have come as expected, I would be very proud to walk before my fellow women in this village. Eh? Now you have made me an object of mockery before the villagers. I have to be very careful. Look around before walking along this village road. Eh? In order to avoid embarrassment.
Mama, you know that is not my fault. You know this is not my fault. It's your fault.
So it's whose fault?
You should have, your fault now. You should have asked me before you start borrowing money to impress people that have money more than you.
Wait, Anisoba. What have you been doing all these years in Lagos?
Mama, I've been hustling.
I think you want to see Grace, eh? Anisoba, you want to see Grace?
Mama, how is this my fault now? How is this my fault? You should have told me you went to borrow money from someone you cannot pay.
Look at me. Eh? Hiding everywhere, every time. Look at what the condition you have putting me into.
Mama, I'm sorry.
You are sorry. You are sorry. You are not sorry without money. Mama. Where is the money? You have to present money here now before me so that Mama, I can go and settle my...
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Leave me alone.
Mama.
Now waiting I go again. If I can't love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again. No. If we touch one, mama. She's a troublesome person. Only Anna trouble. Only Anna wahala. Wahala komoko. She know they look for trouble. She know they look for wahala. But if we get her,
Mama, you're back. Help me. You mean you made all this money just today?
Yeah.
Me self, I no believe am. Hi, Mama. Hey, I no say this kind of business. They give this kind of money for this village. I dey here since they waste my time. Hi. Just imagine. You know one thing? When God's appointed time comes, thank God you took that bold step. I know the money will come out. Sense. Thank God. Okay, do fast, eh? Okay. So that you come and join me in the kitchen. Let us prepare this. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Don't send me. Don't send me. My missing ring, oh my missing ring, my missing ring, my missing ring, missing ring, oh my missing ring, missing ring.
I don't know. Akara dey. Hey.
What did they do for you?
Which one be why I sit down? I no fit sit down.
This place not be for pleasure. Now business I come here can do.
Na business. I be customer now.
You be customer? What you want buy?
I want buy akara.
Bring your money.
No worry, money dey.
See, I know they play with the play. I know they play with you.
Come, your blood too dey hot. Wetin dey do you now? Make I help you do wetin you dey do.
Respect yourself. I go woza you. Respect yourself now.
Must everything be fight? Eh? Let me help you. Yeah. Slap now. Now I'm out to get. Which one I feel picture?
Okay, give me a car.
200. Let me sell a car now.
Oga, first, that will show me when I use it.
No mind it.
Madam, now what for you?
I beg for your own.
If I say for you, I go help you put pieces and plenty, now you go collect.
You said 200. What do you get change? I don't get change.
Madam, I don't buy water. We dey sell water too. You get water?
But give me free now.
Thank you. Customer, bye-bye. What be your own?
You don't like the way you see the way website follow your customer.
I think maybe. What's be your problem?
For your business, not my business.
They go your house. I'm not calling you my people. They go your house now.
Okay, I don't go anywhere. Wait till they do. Oh yeah, sit down. Sit down.
Leave me.
You too like wahala.
If you want to sit down for you, respect yourself. Just close your mouth. Don't talk anything. Just.
So make I not talk anything.
No talk.
Oh yeah, give me a car. If you no say we no want make I talk.
Put your car.
Make I the chop.
You give me money.
Ah wow.
I dey play the play.
Better go register for boxing because if you like say as a day like this, you like yay! Yay! Yay!
Azuka! Azuka!
You are here already.
I am here already. I am here already. The 5 days I gave to you as a period of grace has expired yesterday. So, where is the money?
Please reduce your voice. Just lower down your voice. I have no.
Where is my money? You're asking me to reduce my voice. Oh, you have neighbors. You have neighbors. Where were your neighbors when you came to ask for the money?
Hey.
No, or did you not consider your neighbors when you had the guts to come to me to ask for the money? You are very sure that even your generation cannot pay back. Hey. Give me my money.
I know I am owing you, but do not insult me and my entire family. What do you mean?
If I insult you and your entire family, what will happen? What will happen? Nothing will happen. Give me my money and you will receive no further insult. You don't have it. Good, listen to me. I'm going to take that land very close to the market square. That is what I want in place of my money.
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard me say.
You want to take over my land because of the money I am owing you?
Not I want to. I am taking the land. Give me my money if you don't want me to take the land.
Hey.
Give me the money if you have.
Mazo,
you don't have
it. You don't have to do that. Why are you like this?
You are like this.
Taking a simple
Give me the one.
Hey. Mazo, please.
Hey, listen to me.
Don't go to my land because
listen to me.
I will pay you your money. I will pay back.
Give me to me. Give the money to me. Then I will leave. Listen. The sound of the drum when going is never the same when returning.
I will pay you.
No, I am not interested. I have told you what I am going to do. Now you know you have neighbors now. You know you have. Don't you go to the neighbors and collect the money? Neighbors,
your voice.
You have neighbors. Let the neighbors give
the money. Yes, I know I am owing you. I will still pay you back.
Pay, don't pay. Pay. You don't have the money. You don't have the money.
Don't touch my land, though. Don't go to my land, though.
The land is gone already.
Don't go to my land, though.
To my brother, and he sincerely apologized. He said he is sorry if you misunderstood him. He is very sorry about his behavior with you. You shouldn't feel sad.
Are you sure?
You know I can't lie to you. Amanda, I will try everything within my power to make sure my brother marries you.
Okay, so where is he now?
He wasn't at home when I left the house. But I'm sure he will soon be at home.
Okay. I'll come and see him when he comes back.
Please, you really need to try. Alright?
Mama, what is wrong? What is the problem?
Manziofo was here. And he's insisting on taking over our farmland near the market square in place of his money.
Mama, let him have it.
Huh?
Yes.
Are you telling me to allow him take over our land? The only land we have.
Mama,
because of 100,000 naira.
Let him have it. Because this is your fault. Mama, if there is anyone to be blamed, it is you.
Anisoba, I was thinking...
Mama, there is nothing to think about this. Please. The fact that you even borrowed money to throw a welcome party for me, it's ridiculous. Like, I know if you tell person me they hear am.
Hey.
Do you even know what I do in Lagos? Wait, what even gave you the impression that I'm rich? No, besides I don't send you money way past 10k before. You know what I do for Lagos, Mama? I dey sleep on that bridge. I dey do bus conductor. I dey wash dead body to make money. You can't go borrow money from person where you know fit pay. Mama, please let him have the land. At least that one will teach you a lesson.
Anisoba.
Mama, please.
Is that what you're telling me?
That is what I have to see, Mama. Yes, you should take it. At least that one will teach you a lesson. Because Mama, ego, adiro. Odiro, buna odiro. Don't go walk in the Lagos. Went to collect money. Amanda, right?
Yes.
I'm sorry for what happened the last time. I wasn't in my best mood.
No problem. Machi has already told me.
Oh, we did?
Yes.
Alright. Please, I would like to ask a few questions if you don't mind.
No.
Okay, so for how long has my mother been preparing you as my wife to be?
Mama, 2 years. 2 years now. Yes.
2 years. Wait, 2 years?
Yes.
So you mean you've been running errands for my mother for the past 2 years?
Yes, I've been helping Mama around.
Wow. You said you're a graduate, right?
Yes, I'm a graduate.
What did you study?
Public administration.
I see. They show. They show. Because this is what you're doing and a public disgrace. Yes. No. I did tell you. You need to go back to that school. Huh? So they can refund you all your school fees. Because it's a waste.
What's the meaning of this now? Why?
It's a waste.
Wait. Are you trying to say I'm an illiterate graduate?
Illiterate. You be illy at today like this. The trades never start to the show. Your mumu na pro max. You dey wait 2 years. They wait for man where you never. Hey, you dey follow my mama. You dey listen to my mama. My mama we no know road. You better follow who know road. You dey follow my mama and my sister. 2 years.
But Mama has been preparing me.
They prepare you for better suffer. You say as I dey like that, I know sing buy I no get. You follow who know road. See, I beg. May I just as I did like this, I know they good mood again before you be like man who picture.
put us more. Now waiting I go again. If I can't love, who no love me? Now waiting I go again. No.
Wow. As you put Okada for fire, where you go? How are you? Don't worry now. I be professional. I tell you, say make I help you. Say na lie. No worry, I don't already finish up.
Respect yourself, oh. You call myself, you're going to do anyhow. Respect yourself.
Take.
What's in that?
Just take and see for yourself.
What's in the inside?
Take and face now.
You don't want to talk.
Everything will be quarrel. Oh yeah, take. Make you read down. Read down.
Like it, she not gonna like you. If you not like it with us, she not gonna like you. At all. If you not like me, I not gonna like you. She not gonna like you at all. If you not send me, I not gonna send you.
My name is Anizoba. Please permit me to call you Obim because you have stolen my heart away. I love you from the bottom of my kidney. See, I want you to love me like I love you. Please do not say no, Obim. I love you.
My missing ring. Oh, my missing ring. My missing ring. My missing ring. Missing ring. Oh, my missing ring. Missing.
You know me again. Now maybe the person will say the sweetest I this place.
Like others.
No, everything I own now one. I'll give you Jara. My customer.
You have taken my breath away. You have shown me love unconditional. You have taken me away from this earth. You have wiped away all my negative thinking.
Okay.
Oh baby.
Yeah.
Oh baby more. Mary Fennigan.
So then.
Baby, my missing ring, my missing ring.
Really miss that. Mama, good morning, ma.
Good morning, my son. How are you?
How are you, Mama?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come with me. Sorry, your food is in the kitchen.
What are you doing in my land? Eh?
Come. For your information, I don't want to see you or anybody that looks like you anywhere around this land anymore. You were unable to pay my money and I have taken the land in place of my money.
Oh, no.
Very simple.
No! It wasn't part of the agreement that you should take my land. Was it part
of the agreement that you should keep my money up to this moment? It was not. So, you were the first to breach the contract. You failed in our agreement. So, I have taken the land. Very, very simple. I repeat, I don't want to see you or anybody that looks like you.
Leave my land alone! Leave my land, Maziofo! Maziofo, you are looking for my trouble! You are looking for my trouble, oh!
hit your head. Boys, continue working and look at this woman very, very well. Anytime you see anybody that looks like her or herself anywhere around this land, deal with the person. Do whatever you want to the person. In fact, cripple the person. I will stand in for it.
Get out.
Woman, listen to me. You talk too much.
Yes, I talk too much.
You are the very person that violated. Of course, you breached the contract. You did it first. You were unable to pay my money and I have taken the land. Very, very simple. Once again, I repeat it to you.
You are looking for my trouble.
If you don't leave it, I will hit you.
No problem.
Where is my money?
It's
Then
okay.
I will leave the land for you.
We shall see. We shall see.
I've taken the land in place of my money.
We shall see.
What is that young man's name? Hey.
Anizoba.
That boy loves you.
Why you talk like that?
Am I not your mother? I am your mother. I saw it all over him. When I see things, I recognize them. Yes.
Okay.
Has he said anything to you?
Never tell me anything. I know they will tell me something. I know.
But in case he does, what will be your response?
Oh baby, you have taken my breath away. You have shown me love unconditional.
Talk to him about what? Mama, there's nothing I can do about myself. Where do you want me to get 150k? How much I get for pocket? A whole 150k? A whole 150k? And they do surprise party for person when I don't know how much they in hand. Why was he 150k?
My son, please. I know it's my mistake. There is nothing we can do about it again. It has already happened. What we will look for now is a means to bring that land back. Oh? Remember that this land I am suffering now to get back could be more profitable to you tomorrow than me. You are the man here. Tomorrow you could need a land to build house.
See, Mama. All right, it's fine.
You talk to him.
I will.
Please, you have to. Oh, do. Go.
If I talk to him, everything will be fine, right?
Everything will be fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I know.
Try for me, Mama. But Mama, see, me, I don't know where I'll get 150k from.
Don't worry yourself. God will provide. I know you. I trust what you can do.
God will provide.
Yes.
Mama, God will provide. No, Allah. God better provide you. Because me, I cannot provide. You know how much God has in his account. God will provide. I will try to talk to him. I can't say yes.
Yes, God will provide the money. Ever since you came back. How can you ask him? How far? How many coins to go?
My missing ring. Missing ring. Oh, my missing ring. My missing ring. Oh, my missing ring. Missing ring. Oh, my missing ring. Missing ring. My love is here to stay. My love is here for you. I can do anything. When I close my eyes, all I see is you. When I'm cooking, all I see is you. When I'm lying down, all I see is you.
What?
You're my love.
Let me buy all these clothes.
It is you. So that you look good for me.
They're fine now.
Do you like that one?
But how you taking money when you buy these clothes?
Ekutos, must you ask questions all the time? Eh? I don't buy what I want to buy for you. I buy them because I want to make you look good for me. Which one be? So that when you wear and come out like this, people go to look. They go to look you. They go to feel you. Come on, I have little savings too. Nobody say we poor like that. These clothes are cheap now.
You get little savings. You get little savings. You know you can do business. You can't spend for woman body.
Okay, Ekutos, business happy. You are my business. You are my business. Let me spend my money on you. By the time I have big money, when I have big money, you will see the things I will buy for you. These ones are cheap now. See, we could leave all this stock. This is one I want you to wear tomorrow. See, this one, you don't go full like this so that if they go see you, they go see your full body. You understand? They don't go say we go waka now. This one they will say I dey waka with my brother.
Wait first.
Hey, Obim. You can't wear this one.
But this one is too short.
That is the way they wear it in the city.
You have wiped away all my negative thinking. Oh baby, more. Mary Fenigina. Korama, Mokano Logi. Baby, more. My misery.
And what is the meaning of this? No, I'm asking, what is the meaning of this?
Jogu, what is it? No, what is your problem? Listen, let me tell you. This is what I do now, and it fetches me money. I don't want your trouble. Just be going. Be going.
Ekutos, is this how low you can think? No. Do you even have plans?
Mba.
Why are you messing up the plans I have for you? Do you even have ambition?
Mba, I don't have ambition. I don't have ambition. See, I am very happy like this. Very much happy. Be going. I don't want your trouble. I don't want your trouble. Just be going. Be going. Just go. Just go.
Ekutos, you know what is good for you? Just get into this car right now. Let's leave here.
Or see. Which car?
Get into this car right now.
See, Jogu, I don't want trouble. Be going. Get into which car? Or Sam, get into which car? Which car are you talking about, Seth? Jogu, be going your own way. You people are just be going. I don't want your trouble. Be going. Be going. Here.
Ekutos, you know I don't have all the patience in the world.
It's you.
Don't let me. I'm going to scatter all this.
Hey, okay, scatter with. Scatter, you know, scatter anything for you. You know that I don't scatter. I don't talk anything. My own best no good though. My own best though. If I best time, I don't want to talk anything. But if I best now, my best no good though.
Ekutos, has he gone to the extent of bringing this one that looks like a motor boy? Is this one a motor boy or what?
I mean, like motor boy.
He's my friend. My friend. He's not a boy. He's a man. A responsible one at that.
So because you live in the village and I stay in the city, now you have a boyfriend in the village?
He's not a boy. He's not a boyfriend. He's my man friend. He's a man. Like I said, he's a responsible man. He's not like you. Just be going. Be going, though. Because I'm telling you now, be going. Be going.
Okay, I say be down here waiting. She talk. Say where they go. I mean, you put everything for here. What you be like waiting they put on top of your Amadi or sacrifice? All these vex, where they vex, you don't need that. We say may you come down from your car, may you come buy a car, may you chop better car. We get bread where we go give you. You go buy car. You no go buy car. With this car where they say no go buy car. We are press on me there, yeah. Beep. Yeah. We are hug me.
Calm down. Respect yourself.
Hug me now. Hey, Obim.
I don't blame you. You know why? Because birds of the same feather, they say flock together. All the plans I have for you, this is where you have reduced yourself.
Because you don't go buy white t-shirts now, you don't wear white cap. Be like an Ambrabona boy. Carry chain for neck.
This life no balance well. This life no balance well. Person we get money, no one give away. People we get them, they no one give out to. Person we no get it, make it freestyle. People we no get it, make them freestyle. If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap it more, don't go like Amobi. If you which way na way, this one na my way. If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap it more, don't go like Amobi. This one na my pattern, you must follow my pattern. Have a bigger plan. If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap it more, don't go like Amobi.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
So how may I help you, young man?
Well, my name is Sani Zoba, the son of Mazi Okon.
Hold on. Stop introducing yourself further. Oh. I already know you. Everybody knows you in this village.
Thank you, sir.
Is it not that if you live, area come mother? Mother, ha? Ugana mother, that good for nothing, boy. I returned from the city without anything. Nothing. What are you doing in my house?
Well, Mazafo, you got it all wrong. But I've come to let you know that I don't want to see you close to my father's land again.
You can be. Now hold on. Are you really aware that your mother is owing me?
Of course.
No, or did she not tell you?
Mazi, she told me.
Then why that kind of joke?
That is why
I don't joke here.
Mazi, I'll give you your money today.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey! You are going to give me the money now. Can you see what I said? From where? How do you get the money? Eh? No! You are dreaming. Are you not?
Thank you for your patience. And I know we owe you a total of 150k, but this is 300,000. I want you to keep the rest. Thank you for your patience, Mazi. Thank you so much. Please. Mama, I've spoken to him.
Eh? Did he agree to quit the land?
Mama, I said I've spoken to him. Mama, he has no choice now.
How did you do it?
Mama, please, let's forget how I did it. And focus on you thinking twice before you make another decision.
I will. Hey, I said people will make a naya.
Mama, Chelu. See, this dance don't enter another level. Because I've not paid the money. Now only I convince her say we go come pay.
You've not paid the money?
Mama, I've not paid the money. So think twice before you make another decision next time. Because this dance now, I don't pass. I don't do Onyenze name. I don't know say it is I don't pay. I never pay him.
You've not paid him?
Mama, think twice before you do Onyenze name next time.
What the man?
Yeah, you know what? I think I want the bone straight. Yes, the one of 500k. Yeah. I hope it's very silky. I trust you. Okay. I'll be needing like 5. Yes, I'll be needing 5. Maybe 5 is okay, right? Or I should make it 6.
What?
6.
500 naira, right?
Yeah. 5.
500,000.
Okay. Do you have this blonde hair? The one they sell for 250,000? Yes. The one that is very long. Good. I know I can always count on you. You know what? I'll place order for it now.
Call them back. I want to talk to you.
Okay. Give me 1 sec. I'll call you back. Please, just make the hairs available, okay? Because I'm ordering them very soon. Yes. All right. Cheers. Baby, this hair. Hey, you will love it, baby.
Hold it. Did you say 500,000 naira you're ordering for 5?
It was just 500,000.
Just 500,000 naira for hair?
Baby, come on.
Let me ask you a question. Do you know how many bags of cement 2.5 million can get?
Baby, you won't...
No, stop babying me. Do your father have mansion in the village? No, I'm asking you. 2.5 million, that's what you want to wear on your hair. Meanwhile, do you know that can build for your people in the village? Why are you being so extravagant?
My love. Baby, come on now. Don't be too hard on me. See, okay, calm down. You know you're worth more than this money. Baby, trust me, when you see me on those heads, you're gonna love me like you'll be drooling all over me. Trust me, you'll like it. We'll attend parties together with it.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Maybe when you buy that hair, we're not going to be eating again. Anytime you're hungry, you just go and bring that hair and do it chaff and we're fed.
Baby, come on!
If not for one reason, I would have just leave you here so that you will pay for this thing that we just ate. Let me know if you can even afford it. Waiter!
This life no balance well.
Waiter!
This life no balance well. Person we get money, no one give away. People we get them, they no one give out to. Person we no get to make it freestyle. People we no get to make it freestyle. If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap more, that one like a mobile. They say which way now way. This one is my way. If you know like me.
What's ready for you?
How are you?
What are you doing here? Sam, how are you?
Are you chasing me out of my in-laws' house? This is our house.
It's a Guinea. You're Guinea. See, Joku, respect yourself. Oh. I don't have time. Just leave me alone.
Ekwi, please stop that. Huh? Please, you know I cannot leave you alone. I cannot leave you alone. You know I love you. Please. Okay, if I leave you, who will I now hold? Eh?
What's your business?
Anyway, you know what? Just let me put these things in the car so I'll take you to where you're going to.
Which car? Oh, you want me to enter your car so that tomorrow you insult me? Joku, respect yourself.
Wait. It's fine. If you don't want to enter my car, wherever you're going, let's go. Can we go now? Let's get Come with me now. I'm going now.
If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap more, that one like a mobile. They say which way now way. This one is my way. If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap more, that one like a mobile. This one is my pattern. You must follow my pattern. I have a bigger plan. If you know like me, rap it like that. Rap more, that one like a mobile.
See, mother, I now know why my brother has been avoiding you.
Eh? Why?
Because of that girl that says Akara. You should know her.
Ekutos.
Yes. You need to see the way she's flaunting herself on my brother. You need to see it. This girl She's throwing herself on my brother. She's the one disturbing my brother.
You mean Ekutos has been the one behind this?
Yes. No wonder. No wonder my brother has been avoiding you.
Imagine. By the time I am done with her, her name will not only be Ekutos. It will change from Ekutos to Ekwensu.
Bam.
Hey!
I want you to deal with her. Teach her a very good lesson. No wonder. My brother, you, complete package. Avoid you. See, you need to teach that girl a lesson, no? I want you to teach her a very good lesson. Beat her black, lose her. Teach her a lesson so that next time she sees my brother, she will take right when my brother is going left. You need to see for yourself what I saw. Just all over my brother flaunting around.
You don't need to worry about it. What? Just calm down. Let's get into the house first.
This life will never balance. Person we get money, no one give away. People we get them, they no one give away. Person we not get to make it freestyle.
My wonderful mom-in-law.
You are welcome.
How are you?
I am fine. Hi, but Ekutos is not around though.
Oh, Mama, I am not here to see Ekutos. Rather, I've come to see you.
I hope there is no problem.
No, not at all. And there will never be problem. Mama, actually, I told myself that God has really blessed me. And if I did not share this money that God has blessed me with people around me, what will I get? So I decided to come up with something to give to you. As little as or whatever. It's yours. Mama, hold it first.
You bought a car for me?
Don't mention it.
Every day you give me hope. Hey.
I hope you like it.
My son, I like it. But you know, buying me a car is not the issue. Because Ekutos has the final say on this.
Ah, Mama, it's a beautiful coincidence. First, I had in mind to gift you a car. My issues with Ekutos is not one that cannot be settled. Even though I had in mind that I was going to come and tell you to please help me and talk to Ekutos. I know I have offended her to err his woman. And now I've decided to make amends. So, how can I have money and you will still be going with your leg?
I will talk to her.
Okay.
I will talk to her.
Do not look at it like it's not a bribe. I have the money and giving it out is the problem. So now that I have decided that Ekutos, my wife to be, gifting my mother-in-law it's nothing.
Hey, my son. Oga balagi o.
Amba mami oba goluma but just to say ko diogonogo. Ka the money diogonogo.
Yay! Jeku nwamo, my son-in-law. Hi, uche numeze o.
Mommy. Mommy ngwa. I gonna enjoy Bamoto. You can emergency.
Okay.
Emergency.
I can call you Abiko. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you, my son-in-law. Hey, Chineko Kidi.
So he followed you to your shop and you didn't stop him, Ekwa?
I tried to stop him, but he insisted.
You tried. You tried. You insisted. Eh? Well, I understand. I know you are trying to leave me because I'm poor. But God will do him.
Anisova, why are you talking like this? What is this? Listen. I will never leave you for anyone. It's not possible.
Alright. No problem. But warn him more. Warn him, because anytime I see him like this, if I see him around you, I'll pour him hot takara. Let him know.
Can you calm down?
Apmaka John. Apmaka.
What is it?
Leave me.
Come.
Better let him know. Let him know.
Calm down, eh? Why are you behaving like this now?
Let him know.
son?
Which of my sons?
Where is the useless one that refused to leave my woman Ekutos? Where is that Nisoba? I'm asking you, woman.
Please, who are you?
Woman, who I am is not important and does not matter. Warn your son, warn Anisoba, I will not come back here because what I will do to him. Madam, warn him to stay away from my woman. Just warn him because I will not come back here. The next thing, if he gets close again, will be to serve his body in a basket and will be brought back to you in pieces. Warn him to stay away from my woman. Nobody will drag Ekutos with me. Warn your son! Warn your useless son, I will not warn you again.
Mama, who is he? And what is he talking about?
I don't know what he is talking about, so let us wait until Anisoba, your brother, comes back. Hey! 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 Anisoba,
Mama Jeku give you car. You collect her.
Wait though. I should have rejected a gift as huge as car.
Oh yeah. Okay. Eh? Now get ready to marry him. Jeku will not give me 30,000 naira. Ordinary 30,000 naira to start business. He no give me. Now he don't get millions to buy you car.
Ne. You have to reconsider him. He must have changed.
Or do you go late, Mama? Maka, as they see it's my heart now, eh? Now another person get him. Yes, it's late.
Ekutos, Odo is not possible. Odo is not possible at all. Ekutos,
yes.
If you know whoever you gave your heart, go there and bring it back. Give it to Jeku.
Odo is possible, Mama.
Give it to Jeku.
Ask him again, Odo is possible.
You know what I'm copy code? Go and bring your heart wherever you kept it. Oh.
Okay.
Give it to Jeku.
Okay. You will come and shoot me now. You come and shoot me to marry Jeku.
And collect it wherever
you kept it. Return this car, Mama. Return it.
He sounded so serious. Her straight today was so scary. Please, my son, stay away from Ekutos and be alive for me.
Mama, I already told you. This man, he can't do anything. Eh? Don't worry.
You say? No, the man I saw today can do many things. Please, my son, just do this for me. Stay away from Ekutos. After all, Amanda, a more beautiful girl, is standing by.
Mama, Pico, can we not bring Amanda into this discussion, please? Okay.
It's okay, I've heard you. But please, stay away from Ekutos.
Mama, I beg.
All I see is you. When I'm cooking, all I see is you. When I'm lying down, all I see is you. You're my love.
Where are you looking for?
I came to see Anisoba. I've not seen him for some days now.
Listen, stay away from my son. Anisoba is not available. For the sake of his life, stay out of him.
Mama, come down.
Go and look for rich people.
Oh, Mama, listen.
No buts. Just leave my house this minute. Get out, Okafu. Okafu.
Mama,
get out of my house. Get out. In Apuara. See them poor.
Oh, baby,
get
you
out.
have taken my breath away. You have shown me love unconditional. You have taken me away from this earth. You have wiped away all my negative thinking. Oh baby, more.
You are the idiots that have been taking the attention of my man from me.
What did they worry you?
Don't pretend you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Classless woman being. Eh?
Bear this girl. I don't have your time. No make me vex. Just get out.
Come back here. Ah! You the mad? Are you serious? Why did you touch me? Did you slap me? You...
Looking for you.
Come, I'm looking for me for what? Oh, so because you have car now, you say you be God.
Oh, okay, so when I'm talking, you're talking. Eh? When I'm talking, you're talking.
So I should not talk? I should not talk? Because I have a car now. Eh? You say you be God. This car is there like this. Go Lagos. Now taxi that they use and do. If I said that they use apartment, how much be your windscreen for that before?
And whatever they call you. Listen, I'm warning you barely this time around, but if I come for you again, pour on your head. Read my lips. If I come for you again, pour on your head. If you want me to wipe you away from the surface of this earth, get close to Equatus again. You think it's all this nonsense you people were doing in our shop? Look at you. Look at to pack boy, competing with Jeku. Agwarai. Oh, you've not heard about Jeku because you're in the village. You're wearing earring like a ghost scout. If I come after you again, I will not say a word. You see, you just freaked away at the first of my car. But if I come again, pop on your head. Also. Oh,
baby, you have taken my breath away. You have shown me love unconditional. You have taken me away from this earth. You have
because you don't get car now, you be God. You don't have to say, now taxi that they use and do for Lagos. We have to go get car now. My own they come. I don't buy 2 tires and whiskey. I only GI remain. Idiot, I'm not fair.
Mary Fenigina Orama Mogano Logi Baby mo my misery my misery, oh my misery, oh my misery, oh my misery.
I will never leave you, Obim. Never. No matter the threats and obstacles, I will always be there for you. Always. I love you, Obim. I love you so much.
Oh, my misery, my misery, oh, my misery, oh, my misery.
know who did this to my daughter. Hey! Mama, acid. Someone poured acid on the put us mama. Hey, Igwim. Who pour acid? I don't know who I offend though. Jeku sama kwa biko. Jeku, what do we do? Mama, wait. What did you say?
Don't kill me, okay.
Who did you offend?
I don't know.
Someone wants to kill her.
Simio, I don't know who I offended. I don't know who did this to me. Hey.
Mama. Doc. Igwim.
Look at my daughter.
Igwim.
Acid.
Hey.
I don't know who wants to kill my daughter.
Igwim. You cannot see my hand.
She can. Hey. Igwim, mama is finished.
Hey, Mama. Oh, doctor told you that if they pour somebody acid, he affects the brain.
Everything about the person they said, everything about the person is finished. So they said, I don't know. Yes. Hey, look at Ekuta, everything about her is finished. Oh. Hey, oh,
Mama,
help me.
Even when the doctor said finished, it's finished.
At least we can do something, Biko. Help me, Jeku, help me. Don't leave me like this. You are my only hope, Biko. Biko, Jeku, Biko.
Mom.
Hey.
God will take care of it.
I don't know what to do. Jeku, what do we do now, please? What do we do now? Please. What do we do now, Biko?
Hi. Hey, Mama. I'll be back, eh? I'll be back. Don't worry. God is in control. I'll be back. I'll be back, Mama. Mama, emergency. When emergency come, is immediately I heard it and come. So I'll be back, Mama.
She's talking to you.
I'll be back, eh? Mama, you know what you so God is in control.
God is in control. Jeku, help me, Jeku, Biko, be our God, Biko. Hey.
Mama, is it true?
That's how I saw it. An eyewitness said that some men poured her acid.
What? Okay, Mama, please, how is she feeling?
She's not getting any better. Even the doctor said that if nothing is done fast, that she will not get better. That her condition will get worse. I don't know what to do. Oh. Hey, you could have seen Mama.
It's fine. It's alright, please, Mama. It's alright. Okay, so Mama, can we call the doctor?
Brother Nizola, you mean you want to sponsor the surgery of a woman that you're not even married to?
Of course I will. And I'll get married to her after that.
Though I have every problem with that. But let's talk about the fact that surgery doesn't cost less than millions.
Yes.
How do you intend to raise such money? But I remember you told us that you are poor.
Okay, let me ask you a question. So, have you all thought of how I solved the 150k issue with Mazelfo?
No.
Okay. Well, I paid him.
You paid him?
Yes, of course, Mama.
That means my brother is very rich.
I knew it! I said it! My dream can't be false! When I was saying it, all of you were doubting me. My brother is rich.
Now I believe you. So that means I will now behave anyhow I want to.
I knew it! My brother is rich.
Very rich!
When I was telling you people, all of you are doubting me.
Anizoba.
Mama, your son is a multi-millionaire.
You have money all this while.
Of course. That means I'll start now to be.
Look at Manya.
Mama.
Your son is rich.
If you go there.
Mama, no, not again.
I am not your son. Just go and get me the car key. I want to take my car and go. Is that too big for you to do?
I thought you bought the car for me.
Now, but this woman to stop thoughting. What are you thoughting? Why? What are you thoughting? I bought you the car, yes, for you to convince your daughter to marry me. But now, your daughter cannot even marry me. Your daughter is reduced to vegetable. Go get me my car key, let me take my car and go. When I say my son.
My son.
Oh, stop calling me your son, I'm not your son. I know where my mother was buried. Go get me the car key, let me leave this place. When I say my son, my son. Ego yengi moto, kiwa wagi wai can no wagi wai. Yes, wagi wai am an uzim. Etego wagi wai porte. Go get me my car key. Your daughter has been. If you were me, will you marry who? You see what I'm saying? You see what she has been reduced to? Vegetable age and watching. You want me to I'm looking for a wife. I'm at one. I can. You see what I'm saying? Can you just go get me the car key? I want to take my car and go. Go get me my car key now.
Where are you going to?
Well, I thought Ekutos.
You thought? Oh, you are not thoughting. What are you thoughting? Oh yeah, come back here. Here, stand there.
My in-law, be calming down. That's how I used to do. I play a lot.
Who is your in-law? I am not your in-law.
That's why I bought you the car.
I don't need your car again. No. I don't need your car.
You must need it. Oh. I have already gifted you. Hey.
Make your mouth pen.
Mama, I have waited for this day to come, and I'm happy you're alive to see it.
What?
Ekutos, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You make me happy.
Shut up! No, this cannot happen. My in-law.
Who is your in-law? I am not your in-law.
That's why. You will? My in-law.
Yes.
Hey!
Yes. That's my in-law. That is my in-law.
I can do anything when I close my eyes.
Equim.
Slap him again. Slap him. Who is your in-law? That is my in-law. He shock you.
Why you want to take the car? Are you mad?
He shock you.
My in-law.
My missing, I want to know. My missing ring.
My in-law.
My missing.
That's okay.
My in-law, don't do this to me.
Did you hear that?
My in-law.
Who is the in-law?
My in-law, please.
He shock you. Hey.
My in-law.
Woo! He shock you. Mr. Todd, stop talking.
My in-law, please.
Oh yeah, leave my house. Move. I said.
Mama,
move. Buddha, this way.
You collected the key.
Follow.
Mama, it's okay.
Follow. Buddha.
Mama, leave him alone. Mama.
My missing ring.
Get out.
My missing ring.
Hey. You can't go safe.
Mama, take your key.
Hey!
my missing ring, missing ring. Oh, my missing ring, my missing ring.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
My missing ring, missing ring. Oh baby, you have taken my breath away. You have shown me love unconditional. You have taken me away from this earth. You have wiped away all my negative thinking. Oh baby,